What you're about to learn may change your life forever. We are about to embark on a journey that will make you question everything you thought you knew about your own mind. Today in Chapter 1, get ready to discover the astonishing power hidden within your subconscious. Buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the mysteries of the mind. Are you ready to unlock the hidden power within you? Let's begin. Welcome to the beginning of a transformative journey, where we dive into the mysteries of the subconscious mind and unlock its incredible potential. Today we lay the foundation for understanding this powerful force that resides within each of us. For once, just think that whatever you know about your mind is wrong. Whatever image you perceive of it is very limited and is only about 5 to 10% of what it actually is. If you have ever seen an image of an iceberg, you would know that only a fraction of it is visible above the surface, and the majority of it is below the surface. The one above the surface symbolizes our objective mind. For most of us, that is all we know about. But below this lies the majority, which is the subjective one. Our mind comprises of two components, the conscious or the objective mind and the subconscious or the subjective mind. Now that we know the terminology, what exactly does it mean? How does it operate? And how can it change our lives? The subconscious mind is called the silent powerhouse of our psyche. It's full of thoughts, emotions, memories, and beliefs. It operates beneath our conscious awareness. It's like a hidden tool driving our lives, influencing our thoughts, feelings, and actions in ways we may not always comprehend. The conscious mind is logical, analytical, and rational, but the subconscious mind operates primarily through patterns, associations, and emotions. It doesn't know the difference between reality and imagination. It accepts and acts upon whatever information it receives. Throughout our lives, our subconscious mind is constantly being programmed. And this happens by our experiences, beliefs, and environment. It learns through repetition and reinforcement, forming habits, behaviors, and thought patterns that shape our perceptions and responses to the world around us. The impact of negative experiences, limiting beliefs, and self-doubt creates barriers that block our path to success and fulfillment. We have the power to reprogram our subconscious mind. We can rewrite the script of our lives and manifest our deepest desires. All of this will be discussed in detail in the upcoming chapters with all the tools. So, as we embark on this journey of self-discovery, remember this: the subconscious mind is not a distant or elusive force, but a powerful ally waiting to be awakened within you. Join us as we explore the depths of your subconscious mind and unlock the extraordinary life that awaits you. Subscribe now to join us on this extraordinary journey of self-discovery and unlock the secrets of your subconscious mind. Together, let's unleash the power within and create the life of our dreams. Stay tuned for the next chapter.